name's Peyton King. I am currently a Welding 2 student. I started here last year as a junior, as a Welding 1 student with basic knowledge already of welding from my stepfather. I've done several different projects in class, mostly for competition for Skills USA. Right now, my project in welding is a fire pit, and it's round. It's going to be for a client that is a police officer in Kono, and he wanted it basically as a gift to us for him. He was wanting a specific design on it, and so I used a projector to illuminate the design onto the end of the propane tank, and I traced it out and then I cut it up.
The welding program here is up to 3 years. We teach you the basics, how to torch cut, plasma cut, layout, fit up, and arc welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, flux core welding. The basics of what you need to know to be able to get a welding position in the field. We're working with the engineering program. We've worked on trailers, we've worked on arbors for gardens, we've done handrails for people. We make things all the time depending on what's ever need made. We've made trash cans for the school district, probably about 250 of those so far.
The projects I'm working on now really build up my fabrication skills, and they help me learn new ways to make it easier on myself. You can make a lot of money from it, you can learn a lot from it, and it helps you become a more work ethic type of person.